Good morning. We are going to see here deterministic finite automata. I am Sumathi from SRIT. Finite state automata. So what is finite state automata? From the name itself it implied that it has a finite number of states. The states will be transmitted from one state to next state. Ultimately it reaches the final destination. Here in this particular snap, Q0 will be the start state and Q2 will be the final state. Here transition took place from Q0 to Q1 with the input symbol A. Then in the Q1 it will be having a self loop. Input to A will be having a self loop, and Q1 will be transferred to final state Q2 with the input symbol B. Here Q2 will be having a self loop with B. So the language accepted is A star, B star. Any number with single A with any number of A's followed, with the single B with any number of B's followed. So here next problem we are going to construct for this state transition table deterministic finite automata. These are all the 5 tuples representing the DFA. So determine the language. So from Q1 it will be in the 0 transition input symbol, it will be going to Q1. So it will be having a self loop. Then from Q1 to 1 will be having a transition from Q1 to Q2. Then Q2 to Q3 will be the 0. So here in this case this one will be the accepting state. So Q2 to Q3 will be having 0, 1, as well as Q3 to Q2 will be having 1, 0. So from the state transition table we can construct a deterministic finite automata.